Hey Sagittarius, this is Sai. Welcome to the channel. Today we are doing a reading for the sign of Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. All that you need to know about your person, situation, connection, their feelings, intentions, and where things could be leading for the month of August. So let's start. This might not resonate with everyone, and there are good chances that this might be going vice versa. So take however it resonates. Okay. So let's start. So what's your overall energy going to be like? With Queen of Wands, I see you unaffected. Okay, you guys are doing well. You guys are looking good. You guys are just vibing. In the recent past, you guys did think about someone, but right now, I don't think it matters so much. Okay, top card we have a Six of Cups in the reverse. I also feel like you are a bit upset with your soulmate or your partner for not putting in efforts. Okay, in terms of what's coming your way. I believe with Ten of Wands, you're letting go of burdens. You're letting go of relationships that were toxic. You are letting go of connections that were too much work. Okay, be it relationship, romantic, friendship, or like family, whatever it is. If you feel this person is draining you or depressing you, you're gonna let it go. Okay, in terms of what to expect for the next 15 days. With the Eight of Wands, I see many of you guys moving on. Okay, you guys were at crossroads for maybe almost, I would say, like couple of months, but right now I see you walking away, moving on. Okay, there are good chances that when you've decided to move on, the person decides of messaging you. Okay, just when you thought of giving up and walking away towards something better, something new, someone messages you. Okay, in terms of what's the overall energy going to be for the sign of Sagittarius in terms of relationships. We have 10 of Pentacles in the reverse. Mind you, the connection that you were a part of is not really moving towards commitment, not really moving towards something long term. So, I believe whatever your intuition, whatever your inner voice is telling you is the right thing. This person has nothing much to offer, okay, and it's basically been like this forever, okay. Top card we have is the Hermit card. This person also ghosts you time and again, and you don't deserve that shit, okay. You deserve the real deal, okay. In terms of your person, what's the energy like towards you? This person is watching you, okay. They have good chances that this person is stalking you, might have not messaged you or reached out, but I see this person watching you from a distance, okay. For many of you, this person, regardless of their age, they are very childish, immature, okay. And they are not someone who is good at expressing feelings. They just suck at it, okay. In terms of how do they think about you now? With Five of Wands, they are trying to get your attention, okay. They are not sure whether you're keeping your options open, whether you're wanting them. They are not sure. They have conflicting thoughts about this connection, okay. One more card in terms of how thinking about Sagittarius. Three of Swords. They feel heartbroken that this connection is not really, going anywhere, or it kind of messed up because of a third party. I'm getting strong feeling that this person has kept you or had kept you into a third party. Right now they're wanting your attention, but they are so messed up that they're wanting you to approach them, even if things have not been your fault or you haven't done anything wrong. They still are waiting for you to reach out. They might be feeling this heartbreak because you are silent, okay. One more card in terms of their feelings. In terms of their feelings, this person is someone you cannot trust, okay. Whenever things get better, they start controlling you, they start dominating, they start trying to behave like, this connection doesn't bother them, whatever, that sort of attitude. So I believe you're not wanting to take that, okay. In terms of their heart space, in terms of their heart space, this person is gonna be willing to partner up or possibly put in that effort, or make the necessary changes, okay, but I see them taking their own sweet time for that, okay. Could be for many of you this person reaches out by the 3rd or 4th of August if they haven't reached out yet, okay. In terms of their headspace, what's going on? In terms of their headspace with the Fool card, they do want to come forward, okay. In terms of their intention, what are their major intentions towards Sagittarius now moving forward? Just like I told you, intention is to come forward, intention is to get your attention, intention is to possibly move things forward with you in some which capacity, okay. In terms of what action are you going to take towards you? With Two of Cups, I feel for many of you, this person is wanting to approach you pretty soon with an offer. I do not know how honest the offer is, but at one time, this person did have strong feelings for you, and you know it. You can't deny it. Yes, things messed up. They could have put you into a third party. Now you're going to be asking me, how can someone who loves me put me through a third party? People are messed up, and there's lust, there's this addiction, there's this weird obsession. You do not know what affected them, but I can tell you this much, that in the past they did have strong feelings, and they'll wish to see if they could possibly rework the connection with you, okay. In terms of efforts, like, what are they wanting to offer you for now? With the Two of Pentacles, I still see them being in and out, dicey, okay. Sometimes being so fucking moody that sometimes they might even behave uninterested. Some days they are like totally into you, and some days they are unbothered, okay. So that's been going on like a fucking pendulum, okay. In terms of what can you expect from this individual, Sagittarius? Three of Wands. If this person was looking in a different direction, then I believe they're coming towards you now, okay. But the problem is they might not give you that commitment, just like I've been speaking from the very start of the reading, okay. This person is not wanting to build on it. Definitely they might want to come back together and have maybe go on a date, spend some time with you. But again, I see them going to their old ways, okay. What could be blocking them? But they are going to try very hard to get your attention, regardless if you want it or not. This person is basically blocked, like they do not know what they want in life, okay. It's not your fault, it's theirs. This person does not have clarity as to what they want. I can assure you this much, that they have another option, and that could be bothering them into, like, should they be thinking emotionally, should they be thinking practically, or should they be having a balance, okay. With Five of Swords, this person is someone who has played a lot of mind games with you. They are someone who gives their ego a lot of importance. So someone who wants to win, and someone who wants to take over, someone who wants to prove to you that they are right all the time, cannot really be a good partner, okay. They're always going to create conflicts, drama, and just get you messed up, okay. So one kind of advice for my dear Sagittarius moving forward in the month of August. Page of Cups. If this person apologizes to you, darling, take it, okay. You deserve it, okay. However, do not jump in to conclusions. If this person comes back, give it time. Don't really say that let's get back together and work shit out. No, let them work on it, let them put in those efforts. Just because someone comes back and gives you bullshit, about wanting marriage, wanting this and that with you, and then again going to their old ways, that would make no sense, and it would hurt you more, right? So if they apologize, take it, but also wait on them putting in that serious effort, okay. For now, where do we see this going till the 15th of the month? Two of Swords. I do not see a much strong outcome coming out of it. I still feel it's going to remain dicey. How do they view you, however? Justice card. They feel like you deserve clarity. You deserve the truth. They know that you've been waiting for the truth, regardless if you want them or not. They know that you're waiting for clarity. You're waiting for closure. Okay, top card with Seven of Pentacles, they know that you're waiting, even if they may feel like you're uninterested in them or not wanting them back. Sometimes you can still wait on someone just for the sake of closure, right? And they know it. In some which capacity, they know it. Okay, so yes, let's take love messages. This person is pretty messed up, darling. If this is a past person, don't go for it. You deserve better. You know it. Okay, let's take love messages for Sagittarius. Okay, I want to dedicate a song to you. So this person wants to dedicate a song to you. So, I'm really sorry if the ink isn't dark enough. I hope we can still work it out. I hope we can still work it out. Last message. Okay, I'm not blind to the signs. I do feel and see them. Okay, so this person can feel the connection, they can feel the pull, but they choose to not respond. Okay, you aren't fooling anyone. I know you are trying to get my attention. So this might be for some of you, not for all. Not all of you might be wanting their attention after them putting you through so much shit. So yes, some of you who've been trying to get your attention, they kind of know it. But for many of you, I do see this person messaging you by the third or the fourth of this month. If this resonated, kindly hit the like button. Every like counts, and every like is appreciated. Thank you so much for all for taking the time to watch this video. And if you want a personal reading with me, please do reach out on my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.